Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel again. And then today, in this occasion, I want to explain how to configure the AGRP routing, a basic AGRP routing using Cisco. And then let me explain AGRP first. EGRP, or Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, is a routing protocol is made by Cisco. Its routing protocol helps routers talk to each other and decide the best path for data to travel inside a network. And here's the simple idea. First is think of routers like delivery drivers. They need to know which route is fastest to deliver a package, and HRP is like their GPS system. It shares route information or routes with other drivers or routers or other routers, and it then calculates the best, fastest, and the most reliable path to reach the destination. And then why AGRP is special. The first, it's faster than older protocols like RIP, the example. And then it uses something called the dual algorithm to quickly find a new path if one route is broken. And then the third, it can use different metrics like bandwidth and delay, not just hops, to choose the best path. In short, AGRP is helps routers to find the best way to send data across a network quickly and efficiently. Okay, and next we can um, directly to how to configure AGRP in basic routing AGRP in Cisco. The first, you must um, open your virtual machine. For example, I will use the VMware workstation, and for the engine, I will use EVNG. Okay, let's start. Okay, waiting. Okay, and then you can open your browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. And then you can enter this IP. For my IP is 192.168.187 and point 128. And then you can log in. The username is admin. For EVNG, the password is EV. And then I will use HTML5 console. Then you can sign in. Okay, after that, uh, you can uh, add create new lab. For example, my example name is GRP version 1. Author is up to you, active, and then we can save. Okay, after that, uh, in here you must add the router Cisco IL first before you configure the virtual AGRP routing. Okay, for example, I already add the ISO of Cisco IL, and then uh, you can type the numbers to add is 3. We can use 3 router, and the name is up to you, or example router AGRP, and you can save. Okay, wait, and then there is 3 router in here. You can um, connect the router using the interface Ethernet 00. Okay, and then you can connect router 2 to the router 3 following the um, default configure. Okay, and then you can start the you can select first 3 routers, and you can start the router. Okay, wait until the all is done, and then if the color is blue, it means your router is already on. You can click in the router, and then you can click in the router 2, wait, and then you can click same in the router 3. Okay, we're waiting for the router. Okay, and then you can just enter, and then waiting for router is ready to configure. Okay, can skip. Okay, if already like this, you can type no or others or yes. For example, I use no, and the router 3 same no, and then uh, can enable. This is configuration for router 1. You can enable conf t or configure terminal, and then you can enter to interface Ethernet 0/0 or interface uh, who is connect to the router 2. Okay, for example, I connect with the interface 0/0, and then I will enter to interface 0/0, and then you can add the IP address. IP at for example 12.12.12.1, and subnet mask is /24. The prefix is /24, or 255.255.255.0, and don't forget to no sh or no shutdown for activate your interface. And then you can make the IP loopback too. For step is you can type interface LO0 or loopback 0. You can type IP at 1.1.1.1, and the subnet mask is /32 or 255.255.255.255. And then for configure the AGRP, you can enter the router AGRP 10. Okay, for example, we will use router AGRP 10. You can enter, and you can type network 1.1.1.1 and 0.0.0, and network 12.12.12.1 and 0.0.0. Actually, that's your IP is your already add before, so we need to add to the router AGRP for you configure the AGRP routing, and then don't forget to type no auto summary and then enter. Okay, if you already configure the router 1, we can move to router 2. You can type here the same, enable configure terminal or conf t. You can uh, enter the interface that connected to router 1 first. For example, that's interface Ethernet 0/0, and then you can interface Ethernet 0/0, and then you must um, add the IP address that same network, same IP network with the router 1. For example, before we configured the router 1, the IP is 12.12.12.1. So in the router 2, we need to configure 12.12.2, for example, and then subnet mask is almost same like router 1. For example, I use /24. Oh, sorry, IP at I mean. Okay, and then don't forget to know shutdown, and you can create the and you can enter to the inter interface that connect to router 3, or this is interface 0 per 1, and then you can change to router 2. You can type interface ethernet 0 per 1, and you can type IP, and you can add the IP same like router 1 and router 2. You must add IP from the router 2 to the router 3. For example, I will use 23.23.23.2, and subnet mask is the same, is 24 or 255.255.255 or point 0. And then don't forget to no SH or no shutdown. And then same like router 1, we can add the loopback IP, or you can enter the loopback interface is loopback interface loopback 0, and you can type IP at 2.2.2.2, and subnet mask is slash the 32 or 255.255.255.255. And then you can add the that IP we configured before to router AGRP. You can enter the router AGRP 10, and you can add the network 12 point, you can add loopback IP first, 2.2.2.2 and 0.0.0.0, and you can add this IP, or 12.12.12.2 and 0.0.0. Network 12.12.12.2 and 0.0.0.0, and then you can add again in this IP. You can type network 23 23 23 and 2, and say 0.0.0.0, and then don't forget to type no auto summary. Okay, and if you already configure the router 2, we can move to the router 3. Okay, same like router 1 and router 2, you can enable first, enter the privilege mode or configure terminal, and you can enter the interface that connect to router 2. For this example, the interface is Ethernet 0 per 0. Okay, so we enter the interface Ethernet 0 per 0, and we same like router 1 and router 2, you must add the IP is same the IP network um, with the router 2, or example in router 2 we add the IP address is 23.23.23.2. So in the router 3 we add the IP is 23.23.23.3. Okay, this for example, and subnet mask is must same again. Subnet mask is again and again, subnet mask is must same. So I will, for example, I use the slash 24 or 255.255.255.0, and don't forget to no shutdown. And then you can add the loopback IP loopback 2, for same like router 1 and router 2. So we enter the interface and we type IP at 3.3.3.3, and the subnet mask is slash 32 or 255.255.255.255, and then we can add to the router AGRP 10, and you can type network 3.3.3.3 0.0.0.0.0, and same network 23.23.23.3 and 0.0.0.0. Okay, and don't forget to no auto summary. Okay, so if you already done configure like me before, we can check you can verify the interface, your configuration is um, correct or no. So you can check in the router one. You can um, type in here, do sh or uh, show IP root, and then you can enter, and here you can see the sign D is D, or the meaning is AGRP. So that is loopback IP for router 2 and router 3, and that is uh, IP address, the IP network from the router 2 to the router 3. In here, the router is detected from AGRP. Okay, if the sign like this is meaning your configuration is correct and is already done. And for verification, you can do ping. Okay, like this you can ping to you can ping the loopback of router 2, for example 2.2.2.2, and then the um the in here you can see its success rate is 100%. It meaning your ping is your router is connected, or your configuration is successful. Okay, so we can ping the router 3, you can try, and same, your ping is successful, or yes, the success rate is 1%. It meaning your basic configuration of AGRP is correct, and you is already success for um, do AGRP configuration. Okay, so maybe that's all I could tell you for the time being. Thank you very much for your attention for watching this video. I'm very sorry, many sorry if I have many mistakes. Okay, so wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.